fly. Come away now, baby. Come away now, baby. Come away now, baby, tonight.
Hey, JW's coming back at you here. I'm just sitting in my chair, icing my knee. I got bad news on the knee. The pain's not going away, so I got to get an MRI done on Thursday. So I'm just going to work and icing it down, not really doing much. But I did get a Father's Day present, so I think I might try to make a video right here in the chair of my Father's Day present. So I'll flip the camera around and show you. So there's the old knee. Got like a little ice machine I had when I was rehabbing my shoulder, and it works good on my knee as well. So I've been using that to ice it with. But here's my Father's Day present. As some of you might know, I like Legos, so my son and daughter-in-law got me this Rubicon Jeep I'm going to put together. I'll put it all together, and I'll compare it to the one I made out of regular Legos, that's up in my room, and we'll compare the two. Obviously, this one's going to be better, but I think it's going to be some fun putting it together. So I'll show you what's inside. You just put your finger here. They make it nice and easy to open. You just run your finger along the edge to open the box up. Then inside we got a whole bag of parts here. Another whole bag of parts there. Got tires. A couple more bags of parts. Another bag of parts. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of parts altogether. It looks like a spare wheel. Spare wheel for the back. Got some decal stickers. And then like a catalog book with instructions inside. How to put it all together. Looks like it's going to be looks like it's going to take a little bit of time. All right, see you in a bit. So another cool thing here, you can scan the little code on the front of the packaging, and you can actually watch a video on how to put it together. So it gives you that option of watching video. Thought that was pretty cool. So my next step was actually to move to the kitchen table here. There's just too many parts to do it in the chair. But as you can see, these bags, when you open them, they don't reseal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in these Ziploc bags, so I can keep all the individual parts in the right box. They're all numbered. They have numbers on them. So that'll be my next step. So I made it to step 25, and I'm going to give up for the day. But you can see how complicated this thing is. Looks like I'm assembling the front axle. That's what it looks like to me anyways. But it took 25 steps to get to this point. So I'll start back in another time. So we made it to step 50 here. I plan on showing you like every 25 steps. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I was wrong before. This part's actually looks like more like the steering column. And this part here looks like the front end axle. See how this can move? So that's like the steering column. Pretty complicated. Says it's for 9-year-olds, but I'm not sure. But anyways, 9 and up is the age group it puts it in. But there I am, step 50. Okay, I'm on step 75. There's 176 steps. So what's nice about it is it's nice as it comes together, you can kind of see what's going on. At first I thought this here was the, well, it actually does steer it, but it's not the actual steering wheel. It's just, I think it's there just like you can play with it as a toy when it's done. So you can steer it from here. The actual steering wheel is right there. So that is the front end. Then I got the back end on. It's got shocks on it. Here it is from the other side. And these shocks actually work. So that's pretty cool. So we'll keep on a trucking on it. Okay, this is made it to step 105. Starting to assemble what looks like the hood. And then a little bit of the side body is done as well. That's what it looks like so far. Each step is kind of complicated, but looks like it's coming along. All right, got about 70 more steps to go. So I'm at step 118, and I'm just starting on the second group of parts. So we got to open up the second group of parts, number 2. So I don't know if that's the halfway point, but if you're going by steps, we're way past the halfway point. But here's what it should look like, and here's the actual, what I've done so far. So I got part of the roof on, the front grille, and the winch actually works. Just got to spin this. And then the winch actually comes out. And then you can spin it back in. So we're getting there. So step 155, just got about 20 steps left. There's all the parts I have left. So I'm getting down pretty far here. Got this back section on. Got the front roof, or the front, the front roof on. The engine in there. It's a V6. I think the Rubicon does come in a V8 too. That's what the front looks like right now. So I'll go ahead and finish up the last 20. Well, she's finally finished. The Lego's Jeep Rubicon. Got the winch hooked up to my drone. Pulling the drone along. Take a look inside. I think I showed you the engine before. Got the door, steering wheel inside. Here's the back end. The spare wheel. Tail lights. I think I showed you the suspension on there. It's actual suspension. Which is pretty cool. And here's how you can steer it as a toy. So a pretty cool little project while my knee's getting better. got bad news on the knee. It ended up being missing cartilage in my knee. So I had to get a steroid shot. I'm hoping it'll be good for my son's wedding coming up. But I don't know what's going to happen with the channel. But anyhow, here's the end of the Jeep project. One last look at it. Pretty relaxing, get your mind off it kind of a project. Alright, thanks for watching, bye. So just one last thing, I found a spot on my shelves that I made for it. And I almost forgot to compare it to my other Jeep that I made. And it's pretty stark comparison. That's the one I built with just spare Legos I had laying around. And then the real deal. I mean, I'm still proud of this one. This one's pretty cool. Just for spare. And those are old school Legos too, but doesn't really compare to this guy. Alrighty, see you later for real.